A major fire broke out at an illegal firecracker factory in Jaipur's Khonagoria area on Tuesday. The incident triggered panic across the locality. Thick black smoke could be seen rising high into the sky. Huge flames engulfed the factory premises within minutes. Visuals from the scene showed a massive blaze and dense smoke spreading across the area. Residents rushed out of their homes as the fire intensified. According to initial reports, at least 3 people were killed in the incident. 5 others sustained injuries. The injured were immediately shifted to the nearby SMS hospital for treatment. Their condition is being monitored by doctors. Authorities said the fire broke out inside an illegal firecracker manufacturing unit. The presence of highly combustible materials caused the flames to spread rapidly. Soon after receiving information about the incident, fire department's teams rushed to the spot. Several fire tenders were deployed to control the blaze. Firefighters launched an extensive operation to contain the fire. Water jets were used continuously to prevent the flames from spreading to nearby structures. Police personnel also reached the area. The site was cordoned off to ensure public safety and allow emergency teams to carry out rescue operations. Officials said the factory was operating illegally. Investigators are now examining how the unit was functioning and whether proper safety measures were in place. The exact cause of the fire has not yet been confirmed. However, authorities have launched the detailed investigation into the incident. Local residents reported hearing loud sounds from the factory as the fire spread. The explosions are believed to have been caused by stored firecrackers materials catching fire. Emergency responders worked for several hours to bring the situation under control. Firefighters faced challenges due to the large quantity of explosive and flammable materials inside the factory. Rescue teams searched the premises to ensure no one remained trapped inside. Authorities feared that the extent of property damage could be significant. District administration officials visited the site and reviewed the rescue and firefighting efforts. Senior officials have sought a detailed report on the incident. The tragedy has once again raised serious concerns about illegal firecracker manufacturing units operating in residential and semi-urban areas. Safety experts have repeatedly warned that such units pose a major threat to public safety. Improper shortage and the explosive materials can turn even a small fire into a deadly disaster. For now, firefighting operations continue at the site. Cooling operations are also underway to prevent any fresh flare-ups. Officials have assured that strict action will be taken if violation of safety regulations are found. As investigations continue, the focus remains on assisting the injured, supporting affected families, and determining what led to this deadly fire tragedy in Jaipur. Stay tuned with us for more updates. To like, comment, share, and subscribe the channel.